Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying eligibility, age, minimum education, and Indian citizenship. Once confirmed, immediately collect crucial documents: photo, Aadhaar, education certificates, and domicile. Scan them clearly. Next, create a dedicated email and store digital copies in 2 folders so you don't scramble later. Then register on the official application portal, choose the Security Assistant post, and note the application window. Make sure to read the notification PDF now to avoid surprises during later steps. You'll now complete the detailed form. Enter personal data, qualifications, language proficiency, and preferred exam center. Carefully upload your photo and signature in required dimensions and file types. Incorrect files are the common rejection reason. Then review every field before submitting. Once submitted, many portals lock edits. Proceed to pay the application fee online using card, net banking, or UPI, and immediately download the generated application PDF and payment receipt for your records. You finish by tracking admit card release dates and downloading the admit immediately. Print 2 copies and carry a photo ID on exam day. Next, prepare for document verification by organizing originals and copies, and practice the computer-based test pattern and time management. If problems occur, failed payment, missing admit, or form errors, contact the portal help desk right away, keep screenshots and transaction proofs, and escalate with the recruitment office, if necessary, to ensure resolution before exam dates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.